Let's talk about how to safeguard your eyes and enhance your vision without relying solely on expensive supplements or treatments. Today, we're zooming in on the vibrant world of vegetables to spotlight the top 8 that are not just good for your health, but are superheroes when it comes to protecting your eyes and enhancing vision. And that's not all. Stick around as we also unveil 7 essential tips for maintaining optimal eye health. Whether you're looking to shield your sight from the glare of screens or the passage of time, we've got you covered. Number 1, carrots. Carrots, scientifically recognized as Daucus carota, are highly famous for their abundant beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin a nutrient pivotal for optimal eye health. This vitamin is essential for generating the pigments in the eye's retina, crucial for night vision, and significantly prevents dry eyes. Moreover, it acts as a protective barrier against eye diseases, including age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which could severely impact vision as we age. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in eye health. These antioxidants specifically protect the retina and lens, reducing the risk of light-induced oxidative damage, which can lead to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Lutein and zeaxanthin also filter harmful high-energy light waves, such as ultraviolet rays from the sun and blue light from digital screens, which are known to contribute to eye strain and damage over time. This protective effect is particularly important in our modern world, where exposure to screens and artificial light is almost constant, making carrots an invaluable addition to a diet focused on maintaining long-term eye health. Now, incorporating carrots into your diet is both easy and versatile. Whether you prefer snacking on crisp, raw sticks, blending them into a refreshing smoothie, or adding a burst of color and nutrition to salads and soups, carrots can enrich a variety of dishes. Their inclusion not only boosts eyesight and overall eye health, but also adds a delightful flavor and texture to meals, making them a staple in nutrition-conscious diets. Number 2, spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of eye-healthy nutrients, making it an exceptional food for maintaining and improving your vision. It's abundant in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that are crucial for eye health. These nutrients are particularly concentrated in the eye's macula, the central part of the retina that enables sharp, detailed vision. They function as natural protective eyewear, filtering out harmful blue light from both the sun and digital devices, which can cause eye strain and damage over time. This protective action helps ward off macular degeneration, a major cause of vision impairment and blindness in older adults. But the benefits of spinach extend beyond just these two nutrients. Spinach is also a great source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, all of which are vital for maintaining the health of the eye's vitreous and lens, thus contributing to clear vision and reducing the risk of cataract formation. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress in the eyes, which can lead to degenerative diseases as we age. Adding spinach to your meals is a smart strategy for eye care. Enjoy it raw in salads for a crisp texture, steam it to retain its bright green color and nutrients, or blend it into smoothies for a quick, nutritious drink. Regularly eating spinach not only enhances your eye health, but also boosts your overall wellness, making it a perfect addition to a health-conscious diet and a proactive approach to maintaining good eyesight as you age. Number 3, kale. Kale, much like spinach, emerges as a superfood, mirroring the nutritional profile of spinach with its high concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin. These essential nutrients are pivotal in shielding the eyes from oxidative stress and the harmful effects of high-energy light rays. Additionally, kale is laden with vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are allies in maintaining optimal eye health. The antioxidants in kale are key to lowering the risk of eye diseases that can lead to vision loss. Plus, kale is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy its fresh, crunchy texture in salads, add a healthy splash of green to soups, pack a nutrient-rich punch into smoothies, or bake it into crispy chips for a tasty, healthy snack. So including kale in your diet goes beyond just boosting the taste and nutritional value of your meals. It's a strategic choice for protecting your eyesight and preventing eye health issues. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comments section. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4, Sweet potatoes. Not many people are aware, but sweet potatoes are not just tubers but also vegetables. And these tuber vegetables are packed with many benefits for your eye health. Loaded with beta-carotene, they convert into vitamin A in our bodies, a critical ally for maintaining clear vision. Beyond beta-carotene, sweet potatoes boast a high content of vitamin E. This antioxidant plays a key role in eye care, safeguarding cells from oxidative stress and the breakdown of free radicals. Vitamin E's benefits are precious for older adults, offering a protective edge against age-related conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. The versatile nature of sweet potatoes means they can be prepared in various ways to suit any palate. You can enjoy them in various ways: baked until they're perfectly soft, roasted to highlight their natural sweetness, or mashed into a smooth, creamy side dish. Adding sweet potatoes to your diet not only makes your meals more delicious, but also supports your eye health with their rich array of nutrients. Number 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a colorful addition to any meal, but their benefits extend far beyond their visual appeal. These vibrant vegetables are brimming with vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse that plays a significant role in eye health. Vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system, it also helps regenerate other vital antioxidants, such as vitamin E, enhancing their effectiveness in eye protection. Bell peppers also offer a dose of zeaxanthin, a nutrient that adds an extra layer of defense for the eyes. Together, these components lower the risk of developing cataracts, ensuring that bell peppers are not only a tasty choice, but a smart one for maintaining clear vision. Including bell peppers in your diet means treating your eyes with a spectrum of nutrients essential for keeping them healthy. Whether you prefer them raw, adding a crisp, colorful element to salads, roasted to enhance their sweetness, or stir-fried for a quick and nutritious addition to any meal, red peppers can easily be incorporated into your diet. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli stands out as a nutritional powerhouse for eye health, loaded with both lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients protect the eye's tissues and act like a shield against harmful light. But the benefits of broccoli don't stop there. It's also a great source of vitamin C, which supports the overall health of your eyes by regenerating other important antioxidants. Here is something special about broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B2. Getting enough riboflavin is crucial since a lack of it can lead to eye problems such as keratitis and cataracts. The versatility of broccoli allows for its easy incorporation into a wide array of dishes. You can enjoy, if you prefer, its crisp texture in salads, lightly steamed to preserve its nutrients and vibrant green color, or added to various recipes for an extra health boost. Broccoli offers a delicious way to enhance your diet for the sake of your eyes. Number 7. Corn. Corn, especially when cooked, becomes a valuable ally for eye health. This versatile grain is rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, two carotenoids that become more concentrated through cooking. These nutrients are essential for preserving good vision and may play a role in lowering the risk of chronic eye conditions, such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating corn regularly, mainly yellow corn, helps build up the protective pigment layer in the retina. This layer acts as a shield, guarding the eyes against the damaging effects of UV radiation. Including corn in your diet is really beneficial for your eyes. You can enjoy it by boiling or grilling for a smoky flavor, or better still, you can add it to your salads. Number 8. Peas. Peas are an excellent choice for those looking to boost their eye health. They're packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, key nutrients for eye protection, and provide a good dose of vitamin C and zinc. Zinc in particular is vital for eye health. It helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes. Easily adaptable to a variety of dishes, peas can be added to your diet in multiple ways. They make a flavorful side dish, enrich soups, and add a pop of color and nutrition to salads. The versatility of peas makes them an excellent addition to meals, while also improving the health of your eyes and guarding against the degenerative impacts aging can have on your vision. With their combination of essential nutrients, peas offer a simple yet effective way to keep your eyes healthy and shielded from damage. Now, for those of you who've stayed with us till the end, here's some valuable advice on keeping your eyes healthy, courtesy of the American Academy of Ophthalmology. First up, wearing sunglasses is a must to protect your eyes from the sun's harmful rays, which could cause cataracts. Second, regular eye checkups are key, especially if eye diseases run in your family. Third, always wear safety glasses when dealing with chemicals or anything that could irritate your eyes. Fourth, if you wear contact lenses, keep them clean and don't wear them longer than recommended. Fifth, to avoid eye strain from too much screen time, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Sixth, for those with diabetes, you're at a higher risk of blindness, so it's crucial to keep an eye on your blood sugar levels, stick to your meds, and eat foods that are good for your blood sugar. Lastly, if you notice any changes in your vision, like blurry vision, seeing distorted images, floaters, flashes, or losing your side vision, don't wait. Getting checked out early can help prevent serious issues down the line. If you're someone who wants to learn even more about the health benefits of natural foods, watch my next video where I'll cover 7 superfoods that will boost your legs and foot circulation.